Hello and welcome to another video. Today we'll be looking at how to rationalize denominators. So what do we mean by that firstly? So if we had the number 2, this is known as a rational number, it's just an integer. But if we had square root of 2, this is irrational because that is equal to 1.414 and so on. That keeps going, and that's what makes it irrational. So you might find that you have fractions with surds. For example, the square root of 2 could be in the denominator or as the denominator, and therefore it might be difficult to work with. So what we might want to do is to rationalize the denominator so that we have a rational number, something that's a little bit easier to work with. If we have, for example, the numerator and the denominator as the same, then that is always going to be equal to 1. For example, 9 over 9 is equal to 1 because 9 divided by 9 gives you 1. If it's x over x, that's equal to 1. And if we've been working with surds, so if we have square root of 5 over the square root of 5, that is also equal to 1. So let's start off with an example then. So let's say we have 2 square root of over the square root of 5. We can rationalize this by taking this one here, for example, and multiplying it. So anything multiplied by 1 is that anything. So 2 over the square root of 5 multiplied by 1 is just 2 over the square root of 5. So what I can do here is bring this fraction here, and then what we do is we multiply the numerators together, we multiply the denominators together, and this is what we will get. So 2 multiplied by square root of 5, so the multiplication symbol is implied. Probably bored of hearing me say that by now. Over square root 5 multiplied by square root 5, and that is equal to 2 over square root 5. So square root of 5 multiplied by square root of 5, we can use that rule we used in previous videos where we just have 5 multiplied by 5 under the square root sign. And again, I'm just going to keep writing this out. And that is 25. Square root of 25 is equal to 5. So we are left now with, that's a bit of a dodgy 5. That's not much better. We are left now with a fraction that has a rational denominator, and that might be easier to work with depending on what you're doing. So that is why we do that. So quite simply, this 2 over square root 5 is the same as 2 square root 5 over 5. And that is how you would rationalize the denominator. So that's it for this video. Please do look out for the next video where I try something a little bit more difficult, a little bit more complicated, but hopefully that gives you an idea. And if you do have any questions, please do throw them in the comment section. Please also do like and subscribe as well. Thanks very much.